Okay, it's nice na. Are you happy? Uy, sit down properly. Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit down. Oh, yummy, yummy. Oh, yummy, yummy. This third crepes. What is this? Crepes. Crepes. Third one. Is that yummy, no? This is more sweet. I put more sugar. Can I try? A little bit only. Try mama a little bit, please. Please. Thank you. Nanda ah. I'm so happy ah. So happy. He's so happy.
That's